Welcome back to the Dr. Auto Spa Custom Detail and Ceramic Coatings channel. We're taking a look here at the back of this vehicle. We're working on getting some scratches out. This water right here, we're preparing to do some wet sanding. Now this is not a project you want to try it if you don't have experience doing it, because you can really scratch up the paint. You got to know what you're doing with this kind of project, so we're going to demonstrate a little bit of our work. Alright, we've got our 2000 grit sandpaper, light sponge right here, just going back and forth motions. Do you see those lines right through there? It's lightly cutting over top of the clear coat. Now remember, the clear coat's pretty thick, so you're just trying to get surface scratches out. You're doing it very, very lightly. But all these scratches that you're putting into the clear coat do need to be buffed out properly too. So there's a lot that goes into it when you do a wet sanding project. Make sure you keep it lots of water on it. Touch up a little bit more softly with this wet sanding. Now once you get into this a little bit more, the applicator starts sliding over a lot easier and smoother. All that's nice and even. It's going to look good when we get done with it. Here's one quick look after we've just got through wet sanding this whole area, and you can see there's some light scratches in there. We'll be buffing all that stuff out momentarily, but not a project you want to try on yourself if you don't have experience on it. Just give us a call. We'll be happy to take care of it, answer any questions you have. Thanks for tying in. See you guys soon.